The issue of debentures as collateral security means that the debentures have not been issued for a consideration received in cash or in kind, but have been issued only as a supporting or secondary security for the loan taken. The holder of such debenture is entitled to interest only on the amount of the loan, but not on the debenture supporting that loan. In other words, collateral security means additional security, that is, in addition to the prime security. Under this arrangement, in the event that the amount due cannot be paid, the borrower agrees that the primary security, which may be a particular asset or a group of assets, will be realized, and the proceeds therefrom would then be applied to repay the loan. Meanwhile, in the case where the company cannot repay the loan and the interest thereon remains unpaid on the due date, the lender who had issued the debenture as a collateral security now becomes a real debenture holder who can exercise all the rights of a debenture holder. The debentures that are issued as collateral security, however, is only to be realized when the prime security fails to pay the amount of the loan. From the accounting point of view, we need to understand that debentures issued as collateral security may or may not be recorded in the books of account. We should then concentrate on memorizing the format and the disclosures made in the balance sheet in either case. If an accounting entry is not passed, it is disclosed in the balance sheet only as a note to the loan that it supports as a collateral security.
And of course, cash at bank would be disclosed as prescribed under the broad heading of cash and cash equivalents.
If, on the other hand, an accounting entry is passed, the account balance will appear in the balance sheet. It is shown on the liability side under loans which are secured and under the broad classification of
long-term borrowing.
But first as debentures issued and thereafter as debenture suspense account, which is then deducted therefrom, resulting in an extension of nil balance.
The disclosure of cash at bank is then, as mentioned previously, disclosed under the broad heading of cash and cash equivalents.